If there has been no adequate preparation before playing, then you may not have sufficient local muscular endurance, strength or stability of the wrist and shoulder and fingers. And you may also not have adequate blood flow to the fingers without a proper warm-up. And the other thing is, if you've got poor core strength, this could lead to poor posture, which will then affect the rest of your biomechanics. I would say that these are all conditions and they are not diseases. They can be managed by proper treatment, especially if prevented early, an exercise program, and a loading management program. They can leave sequels to the guitarist if they are not properly addressed in the early stages when they first get the symptoms. Yes, there are some genetic disorders that may have an impact on how well you can play guitar over the years, but that is not a doomed situation because you can always still adequately prepare to help prevent risk of injury. So even if there is some sort of hereditary factor, your risk of injury can be prevented by adequate preparation and loading management. So yes, there's many things you can do to help prevent injury during a guitar session. First of all, you should have a good warm-up. You should also have regular breaks, especially if you are feeling any symptoms. Good posture at all times. Making sure you have adequate strength of the muscles in the first place. And also having a good stretch at the end of your session. And that can include doing a self-massage to the forearm muscles and shoulder. So for question number 6, the guitar does not create injuries. It is only poor management and inadequate preparation that causes damage to the guitarist's body. We see musicians every now and again. It's mainly because they are overloading their body. They're not giving themselves adequate rest. They don't have enough local muscular endurance of the muscles they are using. And they also have poor posture at times. They'd be the main things we see with the injuries they get. Yes, so repetitive movements and actions of particular muscles and joints can create muscle growth and strength. However, if there is not sufficient rest and the muscles are overloaded and they do not get a chance to recover, then this can make the muscles feel depleted and weak over time.